If you are looking to learn English pronunciations, then learn it from a native English speaker. This channel provides you a comprehensive coverage of a wide range of topics like names of countries and cities, celebrities, famous personalities, cuisines from around the globe, companies, music bands and musicians, vehicles, technology, diseases and disorders, medicines, medical procedures, systems and equipments, human anatomy, animals, plants, microorganisms, chemistry, mathematics, physics, and much more. So, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and let's begin this journey of learning together.